Ready to top up your ad credits and boost your sales? In this video, we'll show you how to add credits to your Tamara Ads account using the Partners portal. Let's get started. First, navigate to Tamara Ads on the Partners portal. Once you're there, you're ready to add credits to your account. Next, select Add Credits located at the top right-hand corner of the page. This is where you manage your ad credit balance. Now, view your current ad credit balance as well as your transaction history. It's essential to keep track of your spending. Ready to add more credits? Click on the Top Up button to proceed. Enter the amount of ad credits you'd like to top up with, and make sure it aligns with your advertising budget. Next, enter your billing address. This ensures a smooth transaction process. Review your ad top-up request details, and when everything looks okay, click Pay Now to proceed to payment. Enter your card details and complete your payment. Please note that only locally issued Meta Visa and MasterCard payment methods are accepted. And congratulations! You've successfully topped up your ad credits. Now your campaigns are ready to reach even more potential customers. And there you have it. Now you know how to top up your ad credits on Tamara Ads.